Hi, I'm Shivangi Dutt and today we're going to be creating a soft eye makeup look with a dark lip. I'm starting by using this face mist by Huda Beauty. Using the MAC Strobe Cream, I'm applying it all over her face as a primer and moisturizer. I could not identify much pigmentation in her skin, so I used just a little bit of a dark concealer so that there is no gray areas after the makeup is finished. This makeup I did with a contour and concealer technique where I used the contour directly on her skin as if it was a foundation, and then we will start using the concealer. I'm using a concealer that is a little bit thicker, so I don't need to add any more product on the face. I'm blending the contour and the concealer together and it gives a very flawless bronze structural face. Now adding some liquid blush so that the face has a matte blush to it, and to set that I'm using a Huda Beauty loose powder in Cupcake. Before starting the eye makeup, I'm just leaving some loose powder under the eye so that any fallout can be caught and dusted away. I'm starting by using the P. Louis eye base, which is my favorite. I'm going to apply it all over the eye so that the eyeshadow gets a nice pigment and does not move or crease. I'm using a grey eyeshadow from Fenty Beauty's Moroccan Spice palette. This is the only matte eyeshadow I'm using, and I'm going in with a metallic reflective eyeshadow with a little bit silver and pink reflect in it. Eyebrows are a very important feature of our face, so always remember to shape them and fill them in a way that enhances the makeup and the face. I'm applying a contour as a lip liner and then blending it out for a softer effect, and then using a dark makeup and really enhances the lips. And to reduce the mattifying effect on the face, we're using some highlighter on highlighting points to give glow and a very dewy effect. Applying a fixing spray is always beneficial for your makeup. It'll make it look settled, it'll also make it long lasting, and we are done. So this is how our model looks. She looks structured, she looks powerful. The eye makeup is standing out. You can see how well the eye makeup goes with the outfit, which was the inspiration for this look. And tell me what you think and keep eyes out for more such videos and new things to learn. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys again very soon with more looks and more techniques.